Today I will show you how to do a few beginner, upper, beginner, low, intermediate moves up the pole and combine them together. So first I will demonstrate and then we will break it down. Okay, so first we did a climb on the pole to pole sit to hello boys, or also known as a wrist sit, and thread through the leg to a martini, pull up to a figurehead, and then regrip by coming back into a pole sit, and then do a little ball, like fold into a little ball position, unwind and do a pose. So this is one of my favorite, just high beginner, low intermediate little combinations, and you can kind of put them together however you want, or add a couple of your own moves, or add a little pose of your own. Grab my rag here and clean my pole. I will break it down. I'll talk you through it a little as I do it again. It might not be exactly the same, but you get the idea. So climb the pole, one climb or two, pull up, pole sit of any kind, maybe a little lay back if you like, and then bottom hand goes under the same side leg. Hello boys, regrip, oh no, and then you thread the leg through, grip the top leg, bring the bottom leg up, grab for a martini sit, and then reach the arms high, pull up, figurehead, both hands on the pole, chest to pole, regrip, bend the bottom legs, fold over into a nice little ball, and then unwind gently, slowly with the momentum and direction of the pole, and do a little nice pose. Of course you can spin faster. I just wanted to go slowly so you could see what I was doing. But I hope that gives you an idea of a couple things you can put together. I will post the links to the videos below in the description for how to do the separate moves, because some of them require a lot of in-depth discussion, and that way you can get an idea. If there's one that you're struggling with, you can watch the video more in depth on how to do it. And feel free, like I was saying, to do a little of your own variation to that first pole sit. Maybe you want to do a little lay back or bend one leg. I'll show you what I mean. So for that first one, bring this same side top arm a little lower so that you can reach this arm lower. You can lay back, you can bend one leg, you can bend both legs, open both legs, close, or you can sit upright and just bend one leg, make a pose. Anything you like to make it your own. I hope that gives you a few ideas of how you can string everything together. See you soon.